Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile for beginners. First, download the game and finish the tutorial. Then, customize your controls and sensitivity in the settings menu to fit your playstyle. Familiarize yourself with the basic game modes such as Frontline and Team Deathmatch, which are great for learning the ropes. These initial steps are crucial for building a strong foundation and enjoying the game. Next, let's talk about creating an effective loadout. You'll select a primary and secondary weapon, along with 3 perks that enhance your abilities. Don't forget to equip lethal and tactical equipment, such as frag grenades or smoke bombs, to gain an advantage. Finally, choose a score streak that activates after earning enough points, like a UAV or a sentry gun, to turn the tide of battle. Now for some essential gameplay tips. Spend time in the training ground to refine your aiming and movement. Always use cover to protect yourself from enemy fire and keep an eye on your minimap to track enemy positions. In objective modes, clear communication with your team is key to success. Remember, smart play often beats raw skill, especially when you're just starting out. Finally, let's discuss progression and rewards. Complete daily challenges and participate in seasonal events to earn valuable items and currency. Leveling up your player and weapons unlocks new gear, attachments, and cosmetic items, enhancing your gameplay experience. If you're feeling confident, jump into ranked matches to test your skills against other players and climb the global leaderboards for even greater rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.